Hello and welcome back to my channel guys, and you're watching SZ Vlogs. Here Shazib Khan, and here you can see that this is Ford Endeavour. ये गाड़ी आज फिफ्थ गियर आई है मॉडिफिकेशन के लिए, फुल्ली मॉडिफिकेशन, हर एक चीज़ गाड़ी की चेंज होगी। आप यहाँ पर ऑलरेडी देख सकते हैं कि गाड़ी में अलॉय व्हील्स लग गए हैं एंड गाड़ी में टेंट लगा हुआ है। गाड़ी में और बहुत सारे काम हैं, देखते हैं गाड़ी बनने के बाद कैसी लगती है। जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं गाड़ी का ये लुक आ रहा है और ये गाड़ी पूरी की पूरी फिफ्थ गियर में मॉडिफाइड है एंड गाड़ी बहुत खूबसूरत लग रही है। यहाँ पे पूरी एलईडी लाइट लगी है, वाइट लाइट, एंड दिस इज द फोर्ड रिटन ग्रिल and this is the scoop which is very massive, looking very stylish, and the upper roof lights and the extra lights here as well. And then we have this bar light here down there, and we have the alloy wheels. This alloy wheels look very nice, and that black red combination is cool, damn cool. It also has this blue red light, and here we have Mustang logo, and in the side mirror we have that logo light. And if we'll go back and see, then here we have back tail light. It is full LED light with smoke, and here Endeavour written. It is also LED. And now we are inside of the Ford Endeavour. Here you can see I have the key, which also has this guard. If I'll turn on the ignition, then I'll show you more feature. Here we have Alcantara leather wrap finish steering, and if I turn on the ignition, you will see the more feature. This car has full black interior with red stitching. Here it is a Moco big massive screen. Here we have that red blue light. This infotainment system is the same infotainment system which is installed in Creta. I have explained all the features in depth in that video. If you have not watched the video yet, go and watch the video. I have left the link in the description box. Go and watch it. If we see here, this is ambient light which looks very beautiful. Here we have the seat cover which also have this red stitching which looks very nice, very sporty, and I love it. Here you can have more feature of the screen. This one has the control of the air conditioner. Here you can control the temperature, the fan speed, and so on extra. Then here we have also the Bluetooth is also here. It has a lot of speaker. The sound is very nice. And let me show you the reverse camera, the quality of the and the clarity of the reverse camera. Just see for yourself how clear it is. This car has 12 speakers, which includes two tweeters, and all the speakers and tweeters are of Audition company, and it has one big bass tube which is of JL Audio. Let's hear the sound. This is the bass tube installed, which is of JL Audio, and it has a wonderful output. This whole modification was done in the fifth gear, which is located in 118 Elliott Road. The full address and the contact number are given in the description. Subscribe and press the bell icon and stay tuned to this channel. And if you come to fifth gear by taking SZ Vlogs name, you will get extra discount too.